네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 남자는팔기통입니다. 오늘은 저희가 기아 아메리카에서 협찬해 주셔서 2023년식 기아 스포티지 하이브리드 all-wheel 드라이브를 받아서 오늘 여기 카페인 앤 억테인이라는 아틀란타 미국 조지아에 있는 차 모임에 와서 현지인들한테 이 차에 대한 의견을 물어보고 어떻게 생각하는지. 저기 차가 지나가야 되시죠? 저게 바로 아메리칸 머슬이지. 여기 외국 사람들한테 이 차에 대한 편견 없는 의견 한번 물어보려고 여기 왔습니다. 인터뷰 바로 진행해 보도록 하겠습니다. I'm here with Arlo and Katie. It's the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid all-wheel drive, and we just wanted to get an unbiased, real opinion of the local people here. Your first impression of how do you like the design of the car?
It's definitely pretty modern. The grille looks pretty similar to what we're seeing on a lot of modern cars these days. I dig the paint job too.
How do you think about the redesigned logo over here? Do you know the previous Kia logo you have?
I like it better. It's definitely more the times, I think.
How about we take a look inside? You can take a seat if you like. There are
I like the interior.
You like the interior?
Yeah.
Shiny, the black
Piano black?
plastic accents, yeah. I feel like might catch a couple fingerprints
Right,
sometimes.
right.
But I think if you kept it clean, it would look really nice. The
Okay.
electronic dashboard is pretty cool too.
Looking at it inside over here, like, what do you think?
I think this especially, the panoramic dash is what we're
Right.
seeing a lot on like the newer ones. USB A and C, that's nice too. So got the
Yeah, and we have the
oh,
wireless charging over there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, did you want to step on the brake and press the engine start button? So that's completely it. This is actually a hybrid engine. So it has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine with a electric motor. And so as of right now, the car's ready to go. It's silent, and then up to 2,000 RPM.
That's when the engine kicks on?
Yep, it makes it more efficient. It gets estimated 38 miles per gallon.
That is really good, yeah.
Yeah.
And sounds like the infotainment stuff.
Oh yeah,
with
you can swipe right, take a look at the map
Oh,
and
man.
stuff. Yeah, and it's pretty responsive too.
It is, yeah.
Some of the digital, dashes that we have, like they have lag and the delays, and really, all of this pretty much standard. So even the heated seat, heating steering wheel, the parking camera, the sensor, and everything over here, it's pretty much standard. And we have this dial over here, drive mode. If you can turn it to the right, and you can see the digital switch over from Eco, Sport, and Smart and Snow. So we have those mode as well.
I'm not sure how much you'd use snow in Georgia, but
right. We do get that occasional snow.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it comes as standard with like the lane keeping assist, driver assist, blind spot monitoring system, and everything.
Sure.
So, what's your opinion about this blue interior? Because I know it's not like
I like
normal.
it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like blue against kind of the off-white.
Cool.
Really nice.
For a daily driver, I think this is plenty nice enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's plenty of legroom in the back, and it has a panoramic sunroof. Toggle this button backwards. Yeah.
Oh wow, that is really nice.
Yeah.
I like it though.
Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Of course.
Sorry, I didn't get any of your inputs. Do you have any additional inputs?
I like it. I like the interior. I think it looks nice.
All right, so we have Hugh with me here. I just wanted to ask, what's your first impression on this car?
Well, I like the color. It looks different. Yeah, it's nice. I like the lighting, the LED,
Right.
daytime running lights too.
Yeah, they really paid
different.
attention on the front design over
Right,
here. They
yeah.
also have the plug-in hybrid model, but this is not the plug-in.
It's not a plug-in?
Yeah,
Okay.
so it regenerates on the gas that
Right.
we run.
This is also the brake regeneration also as well?
Right. When you press on the brake, it regenerates the battery.
Oh, I
so
see,
it helps
yeah.
with that. How do you think about the redesigned Kia brand over
Oh,
here?
I love
logo?
that thing. Yeah, it's different. I like that. Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Cool. Did you want to take a look inside it?
Sure. I like the flat dashboard. Yeah, it's nice. I like
The gear selection dial, right?
Yeah, there's nothing here to hit your arms or anything like that.
Have you been inside other Kia vehicles?
Not lately. I've driven Kia Optima.
So compared to that interior, how do you compare it to this interior over here?
It's totally different because one is the sedan, this is the
Right.
SUV. So it's different. I like it. It's spacious. I like the color. I like the white.
It comes standard heated seats and heating steering wheel, which is really nice in the winter.
Cool seats as well.
Cool feature is an option that you can add on the SX Prestige edition. But this
Yeah.
is the middle trim that we have. It has the LX, the EX, and the SX. And this is the EX trim over here.
Okay.
So this is like a good middle of the line.
Right. Yeah. How much this can cost?
How much do you think it'll cost? Just a rough guess.
23 hybrid. I don't know, 35, 40.
Oh, you're right on the ball. Yeah, 34. Yep.
Really?
Exactly. Yeah. It has one single package added on here, such as the roof rail and the panoramic sunroof. If you want to toggle this black button over here all the way in the back. Yeah, it opens all the way up in the back.
Oh, I see. That's cool.
But besides that, everything else is standard.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
so with the recent technology, safety features as well, such as like the lane keeping assist, the steering input, front collision warning,
Yeah.
and such like that. Also, if you're at a red light, car front of you, the parts, it lets you know, it gives you a little beep and say, hey, pay attention. They spent a lot of time and effort into those safety features as well, rebranding the Kia car image as
Right,
well as the
yeah,
interior to
yeah.
give it.
Yeah, Kia and Hyundai has come a long way. Compete with the other Toyota and Nissan, and especially the warranty. You can't beat the
Yeah,
warranty.
they have an
as well.
incredible 10-year warranty on here. And
Yeah.
so, you buy this car new, you're set for 10 years,
Right,
no
yeah.
worries at all.
Yeah. Can I see on the hood?
Oh yeah, of course.
A lot of oranges. Huh?
Yeah, so this is regarding the electrical
Yeah.
portions of it. So it has the gasoline engine as well as the electric motor
Oh,
with
I
the
see.
battery. It kicks off with the battery first.
What's the warranty on the battery?
It should be covered under powertrain
10
warranty.
year?
Yeah.
That's the one thing I worry about because the batteries can be very expensive.
Right.
So for 10 years, I won't have to worry about the battery problems.
Right.
That's if I keep the car that long, anyways.
Right.
But I like the
The design
The
over
cross,
here, the boomerang design
yeah.
they call it. The engine, it spits out 227 horsepower with 248 torque.
Torque,
So
okay.
that's plenty enough to get around town. And
Right.
especially with the electric motor, under 2,000 RPM, when you first get on the gas, it uses electric motor torque to get it. So you have plenty of power in the lower RPM. And then once you need more power, the engine kicks in and it helps
what's
out.
the gas mileage?
Gas mileage, it gets estimated 38 miles per gallon. So it's very decent.
38. Okay. How long is it last stay on the fuel tank?
Fuel tank is 13.7 gallons.
13.
Yep. So
So-
you fill it up and it goes about maybe like 450 to up to 500 if you're,
Yeah.
very...
Right. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the lights. This thing here because that's the first thing you see.
Right.
And
First impression is very important, right?
yeah. But back in the day, they didn't have daytime running lights.
right.
And then now it's become a safety feature on like all these new cars now.
Right.
But it's not just that. It's just when you see that, it just attracts your attention. First in the back.
Yeah, sure, of course. Given this is like the normal, position, it has plenty of legrooms over
This is
there.
a plug-in, right? Plug-in?
This is
Or it's
not the
a
plug-in, yeah.
Okay. So it's just for gas.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
But there is an also available plug-in hybrid version of it. Plenty of room too. It's very large. And we have the toggles back here that you can toggle from here, so you can just, instead, so you don't have to go around and then
Right,
push
yeah.
the car back and stuff like that. And
Does it have a spare?
yes, spare with
A
the
small
extra
spare?
storage over
okay.
here. Yep.
Yeah, cool.
How do you like the rear design of the tail light?
I like it.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, the first thing you see is the Kia. Yeah, the logo. Yeah.
And then we have the rear wiper here. It's actually hidden
It's
in
in
here.
rear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So instead of sticking out like a sore thumb,
Yeah.
it's also
It's-
auto. So when it detects rain, it just wipes it for
wipes
you.
it off?
So,
Okay.
and all of those are standard features, no
Right.
add-on or anything like that. So
Yeah. No, I think I've seen everything.
yeah, I just want to thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Take care.